In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload an image into your Canvas page. First, you'll want to go to the page in your course that you want to upload an image to. Today, I'm going to be uploading an image into my problem-solving math. So I'm going to click to that page. Then I'm going to go up to the Edit button. That will allow me to edit the page. Once I'm in the page, I'm going to click my cursor where I wish to place the photo or image. I'm going to place my cursor there. Then I'm going to come over and click on Images, way over to the right side of your screen. Then I want to upload a new image. This would be if it's an image that you do not yet have within Canvas. You're going to click on Upload a New Image and choose File. That will open up your computer files. I know that I have it on my desktop called Colored Pencil. Right here is my Colored Pencil header. I find that it's best to use a PNG as images within Canvas. I'm going to click Open. Now here it's going to give me a chance to put alternative text. That maybe is if you have words on the image. I'm going to put this as a decorative image. Nothing needs to be read in the immersive reader for this image. And I'm going to click Upload. And my image will be placed within my Canvas page. I can then go Save and see what it looks like in my Canvas page. That is how to upload an image that is a new image into your Canvas page. Now, if you already have images within your Canvas page, within your Canvas course, you can also add those to your page. You go to Edit, place your cursor where you would like to put that image, and you'll go over to Images. Here are all the images that you have already placed onto pages. So I would like to put in this Friday image to use as a button. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I can go back over here. I can resize by dragging on the corners. I want this to be a smaller size because I'm going to use it for a button to link to a page for Friday's activities. I'm going to click Save. And there you see your Friday button uploaded into your Canvas page. For more tutorials, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.